Alright, so here is problem 2. 1 plus 1/3 plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 3 cubed plus 1 over 3 to the 4th power plus 1 over 3 to the 5th power plus 1 over 3 to the 6th power. And all of these added together, we're trying to find what it equals. First, we see lots of fractions, right? And they all have a denominator that is a multiple of 3. And it's not like we're going to multiply through 6 times, put it on the denominator, try to get a common denominator after that, and try to add them together. That would take way too long. So first, I don't know what this equals. And in algebra, when you don't know what something equals, you give it a variable. I'm just going to call this entire thing S. Alright, so I don't know this entire thing equals, so I'm going to call it F. But I also want to get rid of the denominator, right? So what I'm going to do is multiply S by 3. So after it's multiplied by 3, it will look like everything goes up 3 times its normal size. 3 plus 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 3 to the 4th power plus 1 over 3 to the 5th power. Now everything went up. They all shifted up one value. This is S, this is 3S. And if we're trying to find 1S, then let's first get rid of some fractions. And how we can do that is get 2S. In order to get 2S, we subtract 1S from 3S. So we could do a little subtraction right here, right? This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and we're going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So after we subtract, this is plus 1 over 3 fifths, this is minus 1 over 3 fifths. Remember, we're subtracting, and all of this gets canceled out. This gets canceled out, canceled out. So 2S would be equal to the biggest number, which is 3, minus the smallest number, which is 1 over 3/6. Now, for 1 over 3/6, that would be 3 multiplied together 3 times. And after you do that, you will get a large mixed number, which is 1 and 3/64 over 729. That is our final answer.